Hey y'all, it's the Pink Bag Lady here, and I am excited to talk to you today about party planning. Now, I know for some of you, the thought and the words simply stress you out already. You're overwhelmed and you're thinking, no, Amy, I'm not planning a party. Party planning can be very easy and so much fun. So I'm going to help you out with 6 questions you need to answer before you start planning a party. All right? These are simple, so just jot them down and then we're going to just try to find the answers to each of the questions. So the first question, who is the party for? Are you having a party for your parents, for a child, for a family member, coworker? Who is it for? All right, second question, what's the reason for the party? Are you having a first birthday party, a sweet 16? Are we having a 25th anniversary party? Are we having a baby shower, a wedding shower? What are we getting together for? All right, third question, when? When are we having this party? We need to know what date, what time of day, and those need to be planned well ahead of time so that you have plenty of time to plan this fun party and let people know about it. All right, fourth question, where's the party gonna be? Are you having the party at your house? Are you having the party outside at the park? Are you having the party at an event venue? Where are you having your party? All right, fifth, how many people are you expecting for the party? Are you going to have just a simple, intimate little group of 10 to 15? Will you have 20, 25, 40, or 50? You need to know how many people are coming because that will affect most of the other questions as well. All right, and then your last question, what type of party are you going to have? Are you having a sit-down meal? Are you having heavy appetizers? Are you having a brunch? Are you just having cake and ice cream? What type of party are you actually having? Now, once you've answered those 6 questions, you can start with all the fun stuff that I'll talk about in an upcoming video, but you can then start thinking about your theme for the party, what type of food you want for the party, what your invitations are gonna look like, and what you're gonna need as far as decorations. So stay tuned for more party planning tips from me, the Pink Bag Lady. All right, you get those 6 questions answered so you can start planning that party.